Welcome to IdeaPlex. If you're new here, we explore the latest AI tools, tech trends, and creative solutions to help you make content smarter and faster. What if I told you that you could create a high-quality video without filming anything, writing a script, or even hiring a voiceover artist? Sounds like magic, right? Well, it's not. It's AI. Today, we're diving into how you can use AI tools to create professional-looking videos in just minutes, and I'll guide you through the entire process step. Today on IdeaPlex, we're exploring AIVideo.com, an AI-driven platform that's transforming the way we create videos. By the end of this video, you'll have a fully AI-generated video ready to share on YouTube, TikTok, or any platform of your choice. Let's get started. AIVideo.com is a web-based platform that leverages artificial intelligence to simplify video production. It's a platform that leverages artificial intelligence to create and edit videos. The service typically allows users to generate videos using AI-driven tools, which can include features like automated editing, voiceovers, and even content creation based on text inputs. This can be particularly useful for marketers, content creators, and businesses looking to produce high-quality video content efficiently. A powerful AI video editor for storytelling, commercials, and more. There are many AI-powered video generators out there. For today's tutorial, we'll be using AIVideo.com because it's beginner-friendly, fast, and produces high-quality videos. Before we start creating, you'll need to set up an account. Head over to ivideo.com and sign up. It's super simple. Just use your email or connect your Google account. Once you're in, you'll see a clean dashboard with options to create a new project. If you're planning to create videos regularly, consider upgrading to a paid plan. It unlocks more features like higher video quality and additional templates, but for now the free plan is perfect to get started. Now that you're logged in, it's time to choose a template. AI Video offers a variety of templates for different purposes: social media ads, YouTube intros, explainer videos, and more. AI video tools need text input to generate content. You can either upload a pre-written script or let the AI generate one for you. AI-generated videos are changing content creation forever. With just a few clicks, anyone can make professional-looking videos without cameras or editing software. AI Video automatically suggests stock images, videos, and animations based on your script. But you can also upload your own media if you have specific visuals in mind. Let's pick an ad template. Click on it, and you'll be taken to the editor. Don't worry if you're not sure which template to choose, you can always switch later. Next up, let's write the script. This is where the magic happens. AI Video has a built-in script generator that can help you create a script in seconds. Simply type in a brief description of your video, like promote a new eco-friendly water bottle, and let the AI do the rest. Once the script is generated, you can tweak it to match your tone and style. For example, if you want a more casual vibe, replace formal words with conversational ones. Remember, your script is the backbone of your video, so take your time to make it perfect. Use contrasting colors for text and backgrounds to make your message pop. And don't forget to add your logo for brand consistency. Now, let's choose a voiceover. Most AI video tools offer multiple voice options, male, female, even different accents. Listen to a few samples and pick one that matches your video's tone. If you prefer, you can also upload your own voice recording. This is a great option if you want to add a personal touch to your video. If you want your video to stand out, customize the visuals. Choose clips that match your message instead of relying 100% on AI suggestions. Lastly, let's add some background music. Choose a track that complements your video's mood. Calm and relaxing for tutorials, upbeat for promotional videos. Once you're happy with your video, it's time to preview it. Watch it from start to finish to make sure everything looks and sounds perfect. If you spot any issues, go back and tweak them. When you're ready, click the export button. AI Video will render your video in high quality. Depending on your plan, you can download it in 720p, 1080p, or even 4K. Now that your video is ready, it's time to share it with the world. Upload it to your social media channels, website, or YouTube. Don't forget to add a catchy title and description to maximize engagement. Almost done. Before exporting, do a quick review.
Have you ever wondered how you could make a positive impact on the environment with something as simple as your water bottle? Introducing our revolutionary eco-friendly water bottle designed to quench your thirst and protect our planet. Crafted from 100% recycled materials, this sleek and stylish bottle is not just a container, it's a statement. Its durable construction ensures it lasts for years, reducing plastic waste one sip at a time. The innovative filter system purifies water as you drink, making tap water taste crisp and clean. With every purchase, we plant a tree, further offsetting your carbon footprint. It's more than just a water bottle. It's a step towards a greener future. Make the switch today and be part of the solution. Hydrate responsibly. Choose our eco-friendly water bottle.
AIVideo.com offers a professional creator plan priced at $29.99 per month when billed annually, totaling $269.91 per year. This plan includes 1,000 credits per month, which can be used for approximately 17 minutes of video creation. Additional features encompass 10 minutes of AI avatar generation monthly, script and hook generation, premium AI voices, access to stock and AI-generated media, watermark-free exports, 4K Ultra HD video quality, an advanced video editor, and unlimited projects and downloads. For more detailed information or specific inquiries, you can contact AIVideo. Come directly through their support page. So there you have it. AI-powered video creation is a total game changer, making content creation faster and easier than ever. Now, I want to hear from you. Have you tried AI video tools before? Which one is your favorite? Got questions or want to see more AI tools in action? Let me know in the comments. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss our latest tech and AI content. Thanks for watching IdeaPlex, and I'll see you in the next one.